Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a full back massage routine that can help release tension and relax your muscles. Let's get started. We always begin with light, gentle strokes. This helps warm up the muscles and prepare the back for deeper pressure. Notice how the hands move slowly from the lower back up to the shoulders. Now we are moving to the shoulders where most people have lot of stress. Using the thumbs, we apply firm circular pressure to loosen up those tight knots. Next, we work gently along the side of the spine, never directly on the spine itself. This helps improve blood flow and relieve stiffness in the back muscles. Here we are applying deeper pressure on the specific points to release build up tensions. If you are doing this at home, always ask the person if the pressure feels comfortable. Towards the end, we go back to smooth, long strokes, okay, and this signals to the body that the massage is coming to relaxing close. So, and that's it. A simple back massage routine you can try at home or with a partner. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more relaxation tips. Okay, guys. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you found this helpful, please like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me to create more content for you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.